Alright guys, so today we're going to be using a yellow piece of paper and we're going to be using some toothpicks. You're just going to need one, and a straw for blowing, and a circle, and you're also going to need a smaller circle that'll fit inside because we're going to be using that for tracing. And we're also going to be using our scissors today very carefully. So I've traced my circle and now I'm going to carefully cut it out, okay? Once you've cut out your circle, slowly and carefully, you're going to find another smaller circle to go in the middle, okay? And you can use cups, you can use plates, you can use whatever you can find. Now, I'm gonna take something that has a straight edge. So you can use a ruler, you can use a box, something that has a straight edge. So I am using this little piece of paper here. I'm going to make a dot right in the middle of my circle. And I'm going to draw a line straight through that dot. Remember to pause the video if you need to. Now I'm making a plus sign. So I'm going to go up and down and then side to side. Vertical, then horizontal. Now I'm going diagonal. See that? Making a diagonal line. Now I need to do the same thing and make another diagonal line. It does not have to be perfect. Now I've made all of my lines. I'm going to make even more lines. So I'm going to take my pencil and you can see that I'm drawing in between my triangles. Just drawing a straight line out to the edge. We are going to cut on those lines, so it's very important that you make them. Now it's time to carefully cut. And I'm just making little snips. I'm not going all the way down to the middle of the circle. I'm just going to that circle that we traced. So yours might be bigger than mine, or yours might be smaller than mine. It all depends on the circle that you used on the inside of your circle. Alright, now that I've cut all the lines, let me zoom in here so I can show you how we're going to fold these up. We're going to fold them on the diagonal. So you lift them up and fold them into like little triangles. The triangles aren't going to be perfect. This part can be tricky, so don't be afraid to ask for help. We're going to fold those little pieces up. You take one corner and push it over to the other side. Just like that, all the way around. When you do it all the way around, you get this beautiful sun. And it's so beautiful that I have to just erase all my all my lines. I just have to erase all my pencil lines because I want it to look a little neater. Now I'm going to take a marker, a crayon, whatever you have, and we're going to give our sun a face. It just looks more happy when you give it a face. Maybe you can draw how you're feeling today. I'm feeling very happy. So I poked a hole in the center, and that's where my toothpick's going to go. I want you to find a box. Put that sun on top of the box with the toothpick in. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Then take your straw, and you're going to blow on the edge of your sun, and it's going to spin so fast. Isn't it amazing? I love it. Whoa there.